In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up on ElevenLabs step by step, whether you want to use your Google account or create an account with your email address. If you're new to ElevenLabs and want to get started quickly, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process in just a few minutes. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to elevenlabs.io. Once the website loads, look at the top right corner of the page and click on Sign Up. This will take you to the account creation screen. At this point, ElevenLabs gives you two main ways to create your account. The fastest option is to sign up with Google, which lets you use an existing Google account to get started in just a couple of clicks. If you choose this option, select your Google account and follow the prompts to continue. The second option is to sign up using your email address. If you prefer this method, simply enter your email, create a secure password, and complete the sign-up form. Make sure your password is something you can remember, but also strong enough to keep your account secure. After you've entered your details and submitted the form, ElevenLabs may ask you to verify your email address. If that happens, open your inbox and look for the verification email sent by ElevenLabs. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or promotions folder just in case it was filtered there. Once you find the message, click the verification link inside the email. This confirms your email address and activates your new account. After verifying, return to ElevenLabs and sign into your account using the same method you used during sign-up, whether that was Google or email and password. And that's it. You've now successfully signed up on ElevenLabs and are ready to explore the platform. From here, you can begin using the tools and features available in your account. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.